One of the great features of the OML JPC is it's designed to be communications friendly. Of course, as you know, we have a cummerbund system that will accommodate a variety of radio sizes. Today's warfighter is trying to get away from a lot of those long antennas that stick up and indicate that you're a target for communications. So we've been using things like body whips, wearable antennas, and a variety of things like that. This happens to be a relocator 3-foot edition, relocator 2-foot edition, all of which we can integrate into this product and use with other manufacturers' communications equipment. For this particular demonstration or video, we're going to use the OML mantenna. It is a antenna that's designed to cut and work at 33 to 88 megahertz. First thing I do is after I open it up, I get it out and I expand it out. I then go ahead and determine the location that I want to put my communications equipment. In my case, I'm going to put it right here on my left side so it's easy for me to get to. I'm a right-handed shooter, so my left side is where it should go. I adjust and give myself plenty for my communications system to work. So I start and I run through the handy inserts here and I weave the communications equipment through. Once I get it set, this helps me determine where or how much space I need for my wearable antenna. So I'm going to pull it and give myself about that much right there, which is the correct distance, so I don't have anything hanging out that can get hung up or snagged. I'll now weave it through. As you can see, it's neatly integrated in. Nothing to hang up or snag. Due to the external communication or hydration tray, I now can go ahead and weave back onto itself. Now I'll go ahead and create what we like to call a C channel for communications. Now, as you can see, I have an antenna that is completely woven in, that hides, that I can still use for communication. Which now allows me to communicate and talk. Of course, atmospheric conditions dependent, approximately 3 to 5 kilometers. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I'm going to go ahead and hook a radio up to it so you can see how that works as well. I now take my radio, do a comms check. I now open an insert. As you can see, when it's actually on the body, it's just as easy to get in as it is when it's off the body. When I feel I've got my radio in the position that I want it, I can seat it accordingly. And now I will take my communications antenna and I will hook it up appropriately. Now I've got a complete communications system. I've got an integrated cover bund system. Now I'm ready to go.